All right, this will be jury charge for 5 minutes, Section 1. On behalf of their clients, reach the conclusion, you should not discuss the case above and beyond, accept and follow, acquit, acted intentionally, acts knowingly, actual and constructive, additional instructions, admission, admonished, advise the bailiff, affirmative defense, after carefully arriving at a verdict, aggravating circumstances, agree with it or not, all evidence, all of it, all of the, all of you, all of the evidence, allegation, allegations, allege, alleged, allegedly, alleges, alleging, among yourselves or anyone else, and applies, anticipate, applicable law, apply the rules of law, apply these rules of law, are not in evidence, arguments or remarks, arrive at a verdict, as a matter of fact, as a matter of law, as a matter of rule, as a rule, as follows, as to the indictment, as to the law, as well as you believe, assault and battery, asserts or claims, assumes facts not in evidence, assumption, at any point in time, at any time, at that time, at the end of the trial, attest, attorney-client privilege, attorney-client, award damages, award any damages, bailiff, based on the evidence, bearing in mind, keep in mind, behalf, believability of the witness, believability or weight, believability of a witness, beyond a doubt, beyond a reasonable doubt, beyond a shadow of a doubt, beyond all doubt, beyond all reasonable doubt, beyond all possible doubt, bias or prejudice, brief instructions, bring it to the court's attention immediately, bring it to the court's attention promptly, broad description, burden of proof, burden of proving, by the oath that you took, carefully considered, certify your verdict, circumstantial evidence, claimant, clarification, close attention, closing argument, closing statement, collateral facts, close attention, clarification, claimant, circumstantial evidence, certify your verdict, carefully considered, by the oath you took, by the oath that you took, burden of proving, burden of proof, burden, broad description, bring it to the court's attention promptly, bring it to the court's attention immediately, bring it to the court, bias or prejudice, brief instructions, beyond all reasonable doubt, believability of a witness, believability or weight, bearing in mind, based on the evidence, award any damages, at the end of the trial, at any point, assumes facts not in evidence, asserts or claims, as to the indictment, as a matter of rule, as a matter of law, as a matter of fact, arrive at a verdict, arguments or remarks are not in evidence, apply these rules of law, apply these rules, applicable law, alleging, all the evidence.